Have you ever felt stuck trying to make your first $500? It can feel impossible, right? Today, let's unravel why that is and how hitting $5,000 becomes much easier. Many people face a mental block about earning money. The more we desire it, the harder it becomes to achieve. To change this, we need to shift our perspective and approach. First, let's explore the mindset. Earning your first amount feels overwhelming. The fear of failure looms large. This emotion often paralyzes action. But don't worry, we can break this cycle. Next, let's talk about the approach. Instead of fixating on the $500, focus on smaller goals. Break it into achievable steps. Aim for $50 increments. Celebrate each small victory. This builds momentum and confidence. Now think about leveraging your skills. What are you good at? Use your talents to generate income. Whether it's freelancing or starting a small business, apply what you know. When you use your skills, earning for higher amounts feels natural. As we move past $500, things change. The victory of making your first amount creates energy. This is a powerful motivator. You'll find more opportunities around you. Income often starts to flow more naturally. Consider this example. You sell handmade crafts online. Your first sale brings $50. It's a high-five moment. You keep iterating and investing back. Soon, those initial sales lead to steady income, approaching $5,000. In summary, the journey to your first $500 can feel daunting. However, by shifting your mindset and breaking your goals into smaller steps, you can gain momentum. Embrace your skills and watch the transformation. Ready to dive in? Start today by setting your first small goal. With each step, watch your confidence and earnings grow.